the 70s were just about inflation. The reality is the 70s started with inflation as people got, concerned about the spending, social spending, plus the Vietnam War, et cetera. And by 1974, inflation was really rearing its head, much like we experienced last year. That was a concern. But right around 1973, 1974, a pretty damaging recession took hold and pulled everything down. Inflation and interest rates came back down, but not as low as they had been. Probably at the time, there was a general thinking of like, we got through that without inflation soaring. But what it set the stage of with the same behavior going forward was a second wave of all of these problems that we all think of when we think of the 70s. We think of the inflation rate that got to near 14%, and short-term interest rates that peaked at, depending how you measure it, about 16.5%. All of that happened at the end of the 70s into the 80s,